Hey everybody, it's Becky. Welcome back to my channel. I have another homeschooling day in the life video for you guys today. But today's is a little bit special because it's actually a collaboration with my friend Ashley from Till Vacuum Do Us Part. We decided to do this day in the life video together because she is a homeschool mom just like I am, and she also has an 8-year-old who's in 3rd grade just like I do. So I'm going to let her introduce herself to you guys.
Hey guys, my name is Ashley and my channel is Till Vacuum Do Us Part. I am a stay-at-home mama to an only child, and her name is Savannah and she's 8 years old. Currently, I am homeschooling her in 3rd grade, and I would love for you to come over after watching Becky's video and come watch our homeschool day. I also film cleaning videos, how-to videos, and day in the lives, so definitely come on over and check it out and subscribe if you like it. And now I'm gonna send you back to Becky's channel.
I know you guys will love Ashley's channel. She does amazing cleaning videos. I'm hoping she does a lot more homeschooling content because I just love watching her, and I get excited whenever I see that she's uploaded a new video. So definitely check out her video when you get done watching mine. If you're coming to me from Ashley's channel, hey, I'm Becky. I hope you enjoyed today's video and that you see other videos on my channel that you are interested in and are helpful and enjoyable. And if you do, I hope you will subscribe and become part of my YouTube channel family. So let's get into today's homeschooling day in the life video.
Okay, I am up and downstairs. It is 7:25 on the nose, and we're ready for another school day. The girls are still sleeping, which is the way I want it, so I can get some stuff done before they come down for school. There's Bean. Bean! She's usually awake when I come down here. So, normally what I do when I come downstairs in the morning, like I said, I try to get up before the girls to get some stuff done. If I didn't grade papers the night before, I'll grade papers, I'll work on stuff for YouTube. This is really just something that I made up. I don't lesson plan exactly like ahead of time, but I like having something like this that I make for the week, and then I have things that we may do as a group for each day, and then things that each girl will do individually. I didn't do anything for my oldest daughter today. I did have some things I needed to write down for my youngest daughter that I forgot to write down on Friday. So I've got everything kind of laid out here, the most of what I need to do with her. So for Bob Jones English, we are still working on writing a friendly letter, and so she did her first draft on, I think it was Friday, so we need to go back and make corrections for that. And then I thought this would be fun for her to read. We read it before, but Silverlicious, because if you've read this one, then you might remember that Pinkalicious writes all these different letters to like the Easter Bunny and the Tooth Fairy, so I thought that'd be something fun to read. So I got that set out. And then all about reading, we are almost done with level 4. These are just the flashcards. These are ones I want to review before we move on, and then these are the new words for this lesson. And then for science, we're still working through the Good and the Beautiful Arthropods unit. So we are going to be doing, what are we doing today? We did silkworms. We were doing bees and wasps, so that'll be fun to do. We actually are going to have to skip the ant unit until we get back from Disney because I need to order the ants. And I don't want to order them and then go on vacation and like come back and have ants in my mailbox. So we're going to have to kind of go out of order to get this done, but that's okay. This is her independent writing workbook, so I'll have her do a lesson in that. This is what I do when, okay, so Bob Jones English alternates a chapter of grammar and a chapter of writing, which I like. It's fine to do that, but I feel like when we're doing a writing chapter, I don't want to stop doing grammar, and when we're doing a grammar chapter, I don't want to stop doing writing, which is one reason why I have this. So definitely when we're doing a grammar chapter, we still do things on our own that are writing, and when we're doing a writing chapter like we are right now, we still want to do some stuff that is grammar, which this book comes in really handy. I have the Blast level 3 and I have Blast level 4, and it's all grammar and writing, and I got this at Ollie's. I think they have it at Amazon, but basically it's just all different types of grammar lessons. So parts of speech and prepositions, pronouns, subjects and predicates, different types of sentences. So I'll have her do a page or two in this workbook as independent work. Pretty much every day, but especially when we're doing a writing chapter, so we're not losing what we've learned in grammar. That's kind of the plan for today. That's not all we're going to do. We always also have our daily learning notebook we do every day. She will usually practice her Awana Bible verse at some point, But that's really the stuff that I wanted to remember that I needed to do with her today. I needed to do this stuff with her, and then I've got her just some pages already picked out for her to do for her independent work. So that's kind of what I do in the morning. I come down here, I get things ready if I have not done it already the night before, which in this case I have. So now I can sit down and work on YouTube stuff and answer emails and all that while I'm waiting for them to get up for school.
Brr. September.
Oh.
You're like, what?
Like, what?
I'm
I mean,
hot.
you just said you were hot, then you're like, brr. I was confused.
I put sun, too. Sun, too.
Well, you do have that abbreviation thing on your desk. I guess you took it out. Four is F-O-U-R. So when you're writing fourth, it's F-O-U-R-T-H. Other than that, yes, it's right. What's next? Multiplication thing?
Yeah.
What's 3 times 4?
16.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11,
12.
12. It's 12. So you're going to write 3 times 4 is 12, 20 times. So how long have we been doing school already? And she's already gone to use the bathroom and change clothes. So that's pretty typical. You'd think I would learn and say go to the bathroom and change your clothes before we start school, but I never do, and this always happens.
Okay.
Okay, deer.
Deer, I'll
Like,
be
did you see the deer?
D-E-E-R.
Good job. Hole, like I fell down a big hole.
H-O-L-E.
Yes, how do you know all these words? Road. Okay, now dear, like dear mommy, like you're writing a letter.
Okay. D-E-A-R.
Good job.
So as you guys probably saw, I was entering her spelling words into this Teachers Pay Teachers PDF. When I put the words in there for the week, they automatically generate within the worksheet. So it's a really fun way to get extra spelling practice that is more fun than just practicing spelling lists over and over. So I will have the Teachers Pay Teachers store where I purchased this resource linked for you guys in the description box. Imaginary.
Yes.
Okay,
just say in the roll, please.
Ability. Heroism.
Heroism. Remember?
It's hero.
But it's heroism when it's in that word.
Tourism. Journey. North. Onion. Million. Junior. Brilliant. California.
Right. You may have noticed that in those words that we did, the O-U-R phonogram, the O-U-R phonogram said So like journey, G-O-U-R-N-E-Y, it sounds like journey, right?
If you underline the O-U-R, it's hour.
Yeah, but on here, so on with this, what we're learning, O-U-R sounds like Okay?
So if you are thinking about that, then that makes this word what? There's
Courage.
Courage. It sounds like doesn't it? What about
Courage. Encourage.
encourage?
Go ahead and cut out the cards. What's the difference in a fact and an opinion?
An opinion is what someone else thinks, and a fact is something that is actually true and not just someone's opinion.
Yeah, you can back it up by research and stuff like that. Where an opinion is just what I think. Like, I think Disney World is the best amusement park ever.
That's an opinion, but
That's
I
an
think
opinion.
so too.
Well, so we share that opinion. You're just going to read them and then sort if it's a fact or an opinion.
Big dogs are a million times better than a little dog.
I agree. Is that a fact or an opinion?
Opinion.
Right. I just got done helping my youngest daughter with her work. I didn't show you everything just because this video would be a million years long. But she is doing some independent work right now while I came upstairs to finish getting ready. I'm waiting for my curling iron to heat up so that I can do something about the front of my hair. It's already, the bottom of it's pretty much done from yesterday, but I've got to fix the front again. And we're gonna go out and have lunch like we usually do, and then we have lessons. We have 2 lessons today, so that's one reason why I had to kind of cut today a little bit short, at least for now, because I will have time to work with my youngest for math and something else we're supposed to be doing, I forgot. Math and some other stuff while we're gone to lessons. So usually I will do math with her or help her with math while my oldest daughter is in one lesson, and then we'll do other work while my oldest daughter is in another lesson. And then tomorrow my youngest daughter has a lesson, which my oldest daughter will do work at that. So it's kind of like a give and take. You've got to be able to roll with the punches and kind of go with what you've got working with your schedule. And this day of the week just happens to be a really busy day for us because we do have 2 lessons in one day. So I have to make sure that I get as much done in the morning as I can, but then I can allocate some time later on during lessons to help my youngest daughter finish anything she didn't finish already. So that's what she's doing, that's what I'm doing. And of course it's raining today, so that's super exciting, but we're getting ready to go out and have lunch, go to lessons, and get on with our day. Here we are at the first lesson, just making the best use of our time, working on her grammar workbook. And then a little bit later, when we head to lesson number 2, thank goodness for teaching textbooks, because all I need with teaching textbooks 3.0 is a computer, phone, or tablet and some Wi-Fi, and she can do her math lesson anywhere. So that's what we were doing at the second lesson. So it's really a good way to make the best use of our time while still getting all of our lessons in and getting everything done we need to do during the week. I actually just did a video about that, all about ways to do homeschooling on the go, on the road, when you have lessons or when you just don't have time to teach. So definitely check out that video. I will link it for you guys so you can hear some more tips and suggestions of how I get homeschooling done even when days are super busy like today was. You guys enjoyed today's video and you enjoyed getting a glimpse into a fairly typical homeschool day with me and my 3rd grader, my oldest daughter, who is in 9th grade. She is most of the time upstairs doing her independent work, which is why you don't really see her in any of these kind of school videos. But she is around, but she does everything pretty much independently at this point, which is the way it should be. Every day is kind of the same and every day is kind of different, which is kind of weird, but if you're a homeschooling mom, you probably know what I mean. But you definitely have to be able to kind of roll with the punches and take change as it comes and be prepared to throw your entire schedule out a lot of times, because sometimes that's what happens. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure if you did, you give it a thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, definitely consider subscribing, because I upload every week and I talk about a ton of things on my channel about organizing and cleaning and Disney videos and fitness, and my gift guide videos are coming up in November. Those are always really popular. So Christmas gift ideas. So if you're not already subscribed, make sure you subscribe, and don't forget to hit that little notification bell next to it.
That way you'll be notified every single time I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end of this video. If you want to see 2 of my older videos, you can click the links right here. And if you want to subscribe to my channel, if you haven't already, and you definitely should, you can click right here. I upload every single week. I have some links in the description box for some of my favorite stores and products, as well as my P.O. Box address. Check out those links if you're interested in those, and I will see you guys in the next video.